That's right. 4 trillion Kishu is right on my Coinbase wallet. It is right there. Why did I invest into Kishu? Well, first of all, I've been adding Kishu basically all year, just like I've been doing Shiba, but Kishu is a more of a longer term play, and I'm going to show you why. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now you can actually get Kishu and several assets right on Shibaswap, which makes this very, very cool, and connect to your MetaMask or your Coinbase wallet. Now, Kishu Inu, why did I decide to do that? Well, this came out not that long ago about the real world utility. Now, Kishu is basically a meme coin, as we know, but it's one of those that's coming up very, very slowly, and I feel like it's going to reach to a pivotal where you have no choice but to take a look at this. Not financial advice, not necessarily telling you to get Kishu. I'm just trying to educate you on some things that I like that's coming up through the pipeline. Now, one of the things I like about it is the fact that you can use your Kishu, and I'll zoom in this for a little bit. You can use your Kishu actually towards real estate in Sarasota, Florida. I plan to drive down there and check it out for myself because you can actually invest into living bold real estate. You can actually use your Kishu in terms of any type of property sales. I plan to drive down there and do a video to literally see how legit this is. The next thing here that I really like is this right here, is that you can use your Kishu Inu with shopping.io. You can use your Shiba as well on that particular site. You can actually get gifts on Amazon, eBay, or also some other ones, like I believe is another one that's coming out there later on, Walmart. That's right. Walmart is also on there as well. You can use Shiba or your Kishu Inu as well on there as well. So those two things I really got my attention, and I like their marketing and the fact that they're very aggressive on Twitter and getting people involved in terms of the asset. Another thing I like about it, you get 2% users reward thanks to the user transactions, and you get that back. Now, Kishu is also on the Ethereum blockchain as well, so it goes very, very well to me to use the swap with it because it can go very, very well. I can swap my Ethereum or my Shiba or any other asset that Shiba allows to get Kishu. Another reason why Kishu is very, very cheap right now is up 13% as you see right now, but I got this when it was basically half the price what it is right now that you see there, and it's very affordable. It's one of those assets where you can invest into it and just wait about a year or two and see what happens. I don't suggest the price will go up as much this year. I'm looking at more next year or the year after that to see any real traction. Even though I've got 4 trillion of this, I'm willing to wait long for this. This is probably more of a year play for me. So around this time next year, maybe next July, I'll see what we have. We will see what we have in terms of the price. Now, if the price starts to really move, then we'll go ahead and start taking a position somewhere. So I do like Kishu. It's one of those meme coins that has 100 quadrillion. I know that's quite a bit, just like Shiba does, but they do have some type of utility. According to this right here, they have a merch store. They also have, other places that you can use this in a short amount of time. And that got my attention. And of course, they can have influencers that really go out and actually market their products. So I like it. It's something to keep my radar on. I want to do this video basically to show you, hey, I'm invested to Kishu and I'm going to use this in Shibaswap, and I'm waiting to see if Shibaswap actually add this as a pair. Now, I'm hoping this comes in the future. They add this as a pair where we can start earning rewards, just like I've done some of these other assets like Elon right there. And I took advantage of that as well. I'm hoping that Kishu and Shiba or Kishu and Ethereum, they actually, pair up and you can start earning rewards on that. I think that could happen. I don't really know this at this time, but I'm waiting around and I'm still adding to my bag on Kishu when the dips are happening, just like I do Shiba, Bone, and even Leash. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Just want to educate you on a couple of things I like other than Shiba, Bone, and Leash. Yes, I got 4 trillion, and it's growing because you get that 2% usage back. So you're actually getting bones, excuse me, you're getting Kishu every time. Because think about this. If I refresh this, you see that price moving? I don't think it's moving right now. But it'll be moving as every couple of minutes, the burn rate and all that kind of stuff. So you're actually getting more Kishu back every single time. I'm excited about that. I know there's other assets you get 2% back, 3% back, but I don't know. I like Kishu. It goes along with Shiba, and I'm excited about that. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Just want to let you know what I'm investing into besides Shiba. I'll do other videos on other things I'm invested into along with Shiba, Bone, and Leash. And I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel.